Hey there. If you're planning to take the CELPIP test for Canada, let's talk about one of the most important parts, the speaking section. It has 8 different tasks, and today I'll show you what each one is about and what they expect from you. The speaking part lasts about 15 minutes. You'll answer 8 different questions and one quick practice task to warm up. You'll speak directly into the computer, so there's no examiner, just you and your microphone. In task 1, you'll be asked to give advice to someone. Imagine your friend has a problem, maybe choosing a job or deciding where to move, and you need to give suggestions in a friendly and clear way. In task 2, you'll describe something that happened to you, like your first day at work, a trip, or a special moment. Use the past tense, connect your ideas, and show emotion. Here, you'll see a picture on the screen. You have to describe everything you notice: people, actions, places, emotions. Be detailed and organized, like you're painting the picture with words. In this task, you'll look at a picture and guess what might happen next. Use the future tense or modal verbs to imagine possible situations. You'll get 2 options and you have to choose one. Your goal is to convince someone why your choice is better. Use comparison words like better, more convenient, or safer. In task 6, you need to handle a problem, maybe a complaint, a mistake, or a misunderstanding. Stay calm, polite, and show how you would solve the issue. This one is all about your point of view. You'll get a general question like, do you think children should use smartphones? Give clear reasons and examples to support your opinion. This final task tests your imagination. You'll get a strange or funny situation, something unexpected, and you must describe what you would do or say. Be creative, use expressions and emotions. And that's it for today. Now you know how the CELPIP speaking section works and what to expect in each of the 8 tasks. Remember, the key to improving your score is practice and confidence. Keep training your voice, learn natural expressions, and speak as if you were talking to a friend. You're one step closer to your Canadian dream, so don't stop here, keep going. In our next video, we'll dive into task 1, giving advice. You'll learn how to organize your answer, what kind of language to use, and the secret tips that can help you sound natural and confident. Don't miss it.